In this video, I'll guide you through how to rotate text in DaVinci Resolve, a powerful tool for video editing that offers a range of creative possibilities. Whether you're looking to add a dynamic touch to your titles or simply want to adjust the orientation of your text, mastering this technique can significantly enhance your project's visual appeal. So let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you're on the edit page of DaVinci Resolve. This is where you'll find most of the tools you need for manipulating your clips, including text. If you're not already there, simply click on the Edit tab located at the bottom of the interface. Once you're on the edit page, locate the timeline where your clips are laid out. This is essentially the workspace for your project. Next, you need to select the text clip you want to rotate. This could be a standard text clip or a more advanced text plus clip, depending on what you've added to your timeline. Simply click on the clip to select it. You'll notice it gets highlighted, indicating that it's active and ready for editing. With your text clip selected, it's time to open the inspector. You'll find the inspector at the top right corner of the interface. Clicking on it will bring up a panel with various controls and settings related to the selected clip. This is where you can fine-tune your clip's properties. Now, within the inspector, look for the transform section. This is where you have the tools to modify your clip's position, scaling, and rotation. Focus on the rotation angle option. Here you have the flexibility to rotate your text to the desired angle. You can either drag the slider to adjust the rotation or type in a specific value if you have a particular angle in mind. If you drag the slider towards the right or input positive values, your text will rotate clockwise. This is perfect for when you want your text to tilt to the right or add a spiraling effect. On the other hand, if you drag the slider to the left or input negative values, your text will rotate counterclockwise, which is useful for tilting your text to the left or creating a swirling motion in the opposite direction. And there you have it. You've successfully rotated your text in DaVinci Resolve. By experimenting with different angles, you can achieve various creative effects that suit your project's style. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore other settings in the inspector to further enhance your text clips. This simple guide will show you how to rotate text in DaVinci Resolve, helping you add a dynamic flair to your video projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of DaVinci Resolve. Happy editing!